missed. Here we go. Those are big ones. You okay there? Shocking, eh? And drop the arm, drop. Are you exaggerating that or no?
I don't think so.
There we go. We got some big hyperreflexia. Maybe I should get a little bit lower so y'all can see my face here. Hyperreflexia can actually be a bad thing in some cases, but if we're seeing it symmetrically, I'm not super concerned about it, especially in an otherwise healthy population that isn't showing any other neurological signs. So, hyperreflexive, but that's just something to make a note of. Let's go back here. All right.